Good everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix Windows Update error. Something went wrong while you're trying to install Windows Update in your Windows machine. Now, you might have come across this error message while you're trying to install Windows Update from the Windows Update settings. So if you do a right click on the settings or on the start button and then go to settings. Under the settings, if you go to Windows Update, you might have seen the error message saying that something went wrong. Try to reopen the settings later when you're trying to download and install Windows Update. Now this issue could be resolved by running or resetting Windows Update components on your computer. Now there are a couple of command lines which you will have to execute to reset multiple Windows component. To make things easier for you, what I've done is I have collated all these commands and created a batch file which you can download the batch file from my OneDrive and execute that batch file. Now without any delay, let's get started. All you have to do is you will have to open the browser on your computer, copy the link from my video description to my OneDrive and paste it in the address bar. Hit enter. This will take you to my OneDrive. Once you have my OneDrive open, all you have to do is you will have to go ahead and click on download. This will download the batch file from my OneDrive. You may go ahead and click on keep. Once you have the batch file, all you have to do is you will have to double click on it. This will give you a security prompt to execute this file. You may click on run, and with this you should have the command prompt open. You may click on run again to execute this command. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. So what this will start doing is this will start resetting Windows components on your computer. Basically what you would see here is some of the Windows components such as background intelligence services, Windows update services, all these services getting updated. Similarly, you would also see some of the Windows update log files being deleted so that your Windows component get reset. Once the reset is complete, you would be prompted for this option to restart your computer. So before you click on continue or press any key to continue the restart, I would suggest you to save and close anything open on your computer. Once this is done, you may press any key. This will go ahead and restart your computer. Once your computer is restarted, you may go ahead and try to install the Windows Update by doing a right click on the start button and then clicking on settings. Once you're on the settings, you may go to Windows Update and you should not be seeing any error message here. And with this, you can go ahead and check for the updates, and if there are any updates to be installed, you may go ahead and download and install those updates. So with this, you should be able to download and install Windows Update on your computer. So in spite of trying this step, in case if you're facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.